Hello everyone, this is Maurson, and in this video, I am going to tell you what are the top 5 home and garden niche hot products for Shopify dropshipping, which are hot right now. So, let us start. Number 5. Cracked Glass Repair Kit. Our Cracked Glass Repair Kit can help you by injecting nano-level resin repair fluid to restore the original hardness of the windshield. Fast repair speed. Small cracks and debris can be easily repaired to prevent the broken area from expanding. Professional quality and lasting effect. Invisible repair. Number 4. Natural Rhodonite and King Jasper Apple Watch Band. This Apple Watch strap is handmade with the gorgeous Jasper gemstone. Jaspers can bring in confidence and self-esteem and make you release negative energies that are built up. Jasper allows us to face and deal with irrational fears and allows us to access inner peace, happiness, and a sense of completeness. Number 3. Plastic Strawberry Straw Water Bottle. Sip those refreshing drinks in style with this adorable strawberry cup. These plastic cups are perfect for all of your cold, summer beverages and include a lid, a straw and a charm, if you choose. Lay by the pool or hang around the house and stay as cute as can be while you stay hydrated this summer. Holds 500 milliliters, cold beverages only. Hand wash. Not dishwasher safe. Number 2. LED Keychain Flashlight. When you need lighting and find that there is no flashlight around, when you are walking in the dark without a light or you are looking for something that has fallen under the bed, you need our mini LED flashlight keychain. Portable and easy to use, our mini LED flashlight keychain is a perfect flashlight to have while night walking, hiking, fishing, camping, or emergency use. Number 1. Powerful Decontamination Foam Cleaner. It removes stuck on dirt, dust, fingerprints, and any unwanted stain while leaving a non-greasy, matte finish. It also contains superior UV protection that prevents fading, discoloration, and cracking from harmful UV rays that last for 3 months. Bonus. Flower and Feather Canvas. Flower-faced woman canvas is an abstract painting of a female figure. Inspired by the enigmatic beauty of nature and feminine energy, this artwork represents the strength and beauty that can be found in women. This canvas print is created using a high-quality ink that is durable and water-resistant, so it will hold up to wear and tear. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Maurson for more such videos.